Hi and welcome to Outwell.com. In this session we're going to be taking a look at our Richmond kitchen table, which has a built-in water basin. You can see that the table is provided in this storage bag, making it very easy to carry about and obviously nice and easy to store as well. What we're going to be doing is showing you how to assemble the unit, and then we shall talk you through some of the features as well. So when we open up the storage bag, everything that we need is in here. So what we can do is just start with the main body of the unit, and all we need to do is just take these legs here, spin them round into place, and then use these Velcro tabs here, these Velcro straps rather, to just give you the stability for the table. Just pop these into place like so. And that's us. If we spin it round, you can see that it's already starting to take shape. All we need to do is just pull down the bottom section here, like this. And we can see in here that there's already a piece of fabric there, and that's there just for us to take the shelves and place them in there, making them nice and stable. You can also see there is more fabric at the bottom for another shelf if we need. So the top section, all we do is just take the frames here, and when we look closely at the top here, we can see that there's a couple of holes just in the top, and they correspond to the grippers on the frame. We just pop them into place like so, and just pop that one in. If we do that on both sides, that gives you the edges of your tabletop. And we just find that, pop that into place just there. Then what we have is a section which just sits in between here. At the end we have these black parts here which just fit into the holes on the black sections at the end of the table, and as you can see the grate just sits in on top like so. Then at the other end we have the cover for the water basin, and again the black bits here just pop into the holes in the black plastic sections at the end, and as you can see that sits in there no problem at all. With the table we have this windshield which just very easily slots into place on the slots provided on top of the table, so that just fits in here like so. Just put that in there and you can see that just slots in place nice and easily. And then at the end, as we said at the beginning, the table does include a water basin, and to access that we just pull back this part here, open this out, and just using these holes that are already here, we just pop in the frame for the basin into them like so. So as you can see, that just gives you your basin which can be covered over. So as you can see, relatively quick and simple to assemble the unit itself. Taking a look at one that's fully assembled here, like I said earlier, you can see that there are two shelves, and as you can see, nice and stable enough to keep plenty of bits and pieces on there. On the side we have a storage pocket here, just pretty handy again for this work surface at the top here, and as you can see the basin at the end as well. The fabric that we use on here is a really tough polyester, and it does have a door which can be zipped completely shut, and at this side here we actually have a section which is designed to either take a waste bin or something like a gas cylinder in there, no problem as well. The frame of the table is a lightweight aluminium frame. So as you can see, a good amount of work surface on the top here. Handy having the basin in there as well, and it's easy to assemble, and that's our Richmond kitchen table with the sink.